Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Techno World Jahanzaib. In this video I'll show you how to create a Gmail account. So without wasting the time, let's start the video. So first of all, you can see here Gmail option. So click on Gmail. After click on Gmail, you can see here use another account. So click it, and now you can see here create account. Click on create account, and now click on to manage my business. First you have to enter a valid name for your Gmail. And now enter a valid username for your Gmail. Now enter your password. Now click on next. Enter your phone number. Recovery email address is optional, so I skip it. Now enter your birthday. Enter your gender, and now click on next. Here you have to click on I agree. Click on note now. And that's it, your Gmail account has been created. I hope you liked my video. If you are new my own channel, so subscribe my channel so that I can make more informative and useful videos for you. Thank you for watching.